Good afternoon. It is Halloween, October the 31st, 2016, and we're going to talk about today's best market, crude oil. And we got started late. We came in today just wanting to be a seller. We were hoping to sell 48 and a quarter, 48.50s. We lowered that to 48 to 48 and a quarter, and then we caught the sell band pretty well. That was a trade right in here where you could have actually sold at that particular level. But this was a retest failure trade. It's a trade that you might not be that familiar with. But we like the short side coming in. A lot of things changed over the weekend. We had a big piece of bearish news for that. So this first S right here, monkey trade, was a scratch remover, stop to break even on the third bar. Good trades happen quickly. Either of these two S's would have produced 30 ticks. This S was a scratch, move your stop to break even on the third bar. Here's a retest failure, that little 2-bar pattern that we like that was good for 20 cents. This monkey trade right there was a scratch. This monkey trade was good for 30. This monkey trade was good for 20. This monkey trade to the buy side, a counter trend trade, and we do take those, was a scratch. And then either of these two S's right here produced 30 ticks. And the final trade of the day, either of these two S's or monkey trades would have given me 10. So we take our first position off at 60, and if you don't want to think or worry about it, you just take a dime on every trade. You had 60 ticks at the end of the day, and that was $600. No losers. That's unusual. Usually we have a couple. If you traded perfectly, and nobody does, there was $1,400 for you. The volatility has come in a little bit, so we're recommending that you take the first trade off at 10 and the second trade off at 20 to 30. So in either of those instances, you would have done pretty well. $600 per position traded is not bad at the end of the day. Hey, we're going to offer new visitors 5 free days in the main trading room. We trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini. In those 5 free days, you get to see me, the software, and the methodology work live, real time. You'll get all the answers you need to know about whether our service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.